Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoons salt in a mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup milk with 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons melted butter until smooth and pourable. Use a fork or whisk to avoid overmixing. Fold wet into dry until just combined, leaving some small lumps. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes so the leavening hydrates and the texture becomes light and tender. Start by preheating your electric sandwich maker for about 5 minutes or until the ready light shows steady temperature. A hot grill gives better rise and crisping. Lightly brush each plate with about 1 teaspoon of oil or use nonstick spray to prevent sticking and create crisp edges. Spoon or pour batter into the center, avoiding overflow. Close the lid and cook each waffle for about 3 to 5 minutes, checking at 3 minutes for a golden brown color and firm, crisp texture before removing carefully with a silicone spatula. Serve waffles immediately for best texture. Top with 2 tablespoons butter, maple syrup, or fresh fruit so toppings melt and flavor balances. If not serving right away, cool waffles on a wire rack for about 5 minutes to avoid steam making them soggy. Then stack separated by parchment and store in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 24 hours or freeze up to 1 month. To reheat, use a 350 degrees F oven for 5 to 7 minutes, or a toaster for 1 to 2 cycles to restore crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.